Hello, I'm here in Weimar, Germany on this lovely sunny day to test and have a look at the pirate kiosk that's standing here behind me. I'm a little bit hungover, but despite that I'm going to try and test out how the kiosk works and what it can do. The first thing I should say is that I'm not a member of the crew who did this. I heard about this on the internet, I found out about it, I came and checked it out and found out that it was a really cool project. What I noticed online is that there were quite a few people who didn't really believe that it actually worked. They think it's maybe a fake or something. So I'm here to try and prove all you doubters and haters at home that you are wrong. So I've got my computer set up here just to show you first. I don't know if you can see this properly, but I am connected wirelessly to Kiosk of Piracy. I'm wirelessly connected from this laptop to the kiosk there. I've already brought up the web page for the site, kioskofpiracy.org, and I'm just going to search for a film. I'll be searching what I presume to be the database here in the kiosk for the film I'm looking for, and hopefully it will come back with a result, and hopefully it will actually come back with a torrent. So it took a while, but the search is completed. I don't know what kind of hardware these guys have running in the box here, but I suggest it probably needs upgrading. But we got it. We've got a list. We've got a search list for the thing I searched for, which incidentally was a documentary called The Code Breakers. It's about GNU Linux, and it's a Creative Commons documentary, and that's what I'm going to try and download. The first thing I'm going to do though is just try and get the torrent file now onto my computer and open it up in views here. I actually already tried this in transmission but couldn't get it to work. I don't know if that's a bug with transmission or something to do with their side of things, but we're going to try it in views now. So I'm just going to download the torrent file. That's worked, I think. Switch over to views. Hang on a sec. And there we go, it's in views. So of course it's not going to start downloading the file straight away, because at the moment I'm not connected to any network or any other computers that have the file. So that's kind of the next step. But this was just to show that I can get the torrent file from there onto my computer, into my torrent software, and yeah, the next step is to actually go and download the documentary I want to find. Okay, so I've got the torrent. There it is. It's in views here. Now, one option as a next step now would be to take this computer home and to connect it to the internet and start downloading that torrent. But the kiosk here also has another function. It's actually built really to facilitate local community file sharing. So just to show how that works, I brought a second computer with me over here. This has a copy of the documentary The Code Breakers on it, and is currently also connected to the kiosk network. What this means is that I can download the file from this computer on this computer via the kiosk wireless network. So the kiosk actually is also going to let me now share files with peers who are just here in this local physical location. So I'm going to start the torrent. You can see it's actually already started loading slightly. I'm going to hit the start button in views, and hopefully it will now start downloading. It's connecting, it's found one source, and we have a nice speed. So that file here, that's coming right now from this computer over here. And just to prove that there's nothing kind of funny going on here, I'm going to open up a new tab and go to google.com, and you'll see nothing is loading up here. And the reason for that is that we are not on the internet. We can try another site. Let's go to, I don't know, Hotmail, there we go, that's one that I don't visit all that often, but theoretically should work anyway. Hotmail, I've spelt it right, yes. But that's also not going anywhere. So Hotmail, not working. Google, not working, because we are not on the internet. We are on a local wireless network. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to download the first part of this file from this other computer over here, as I've already explained, and then just to show that the whole process also works completely in the way that Pirate Bay kind of normally would, we're going to go home and continue downloading the rest of this from a normal internet connection from all the other users on the World Wide Web. So I'm back home now, and I'm connected to the internet here. There's my documentary, it's still in views, and I'm just going to start it up again, and hopefully it should connect to some people online and continue downloading. And there we go, almost straight away. We've got some other peers who've got it, it's coming in. And just to show you that we are really at home on the normal internet again, I'm not downloading this from the same other computer again. Let's go to Google here. There we go. So that is the Pirate Kiosk. That's how it works, and I hope this is proof enough for all of you out there that it does function, and you should really come and visit Weimar and try it out.